జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. సుందరకాండ. And Ravana with his crown, with his beautiful ornaments, with his beautiful garments, Raktachandana Rushitam, having such a beautiful perfumes all over his body, he is glowing. Hanuma Vismayam Paramam Gatva Rakshodhipam Avaikshata. Hanuma, even while Rakshasas are kicking him, hitting him, Hanuma is not at all caring that, but looking at Ravana with all of his shock and surprise. Ravana Shirobhihi Desabhihi Veeram. Ravana is glowing with 10 heads. All those heads, the mouths are wide open, eyes are red, and there are tongues in all the heads and spreaded downwards. Such 10 heads are there to Ravanasura. Hanuma Vismayam Paramangatva Rakshodhipam Avaikshata. Hanuma is not caring what Rakshasas are hitting him, but looking at Ravana with all of his surprise. Neelanjana Chayaprakhyam. Ravana is looking like an embodiment of the black color. He is looking totally black, but he is glowing with his strong shoulders, which are decorated with so many beautiful ornaments. Ravana's hands are looking like 5-headed serpents. Such Ravana is now sitting in beautiful Simhasanam. Pramadabhihi samantataha. Around Ravana there are beautiful girls doing so many sevas to Ravana. Around Ravana there are strong security guards. Such Ravana, black-colored Ravana, sitting in golden Simhasanam and glowing with so much of effulgence. Such Ravana is now seen by Hanuma. Vismayam Paramangatva Rakshodhipam Avaikshata. Hanuma, he is not caring what all the Rakshasas are hitting and kicking him, but Hanuma is continuously, constantly staring at Ravana and surprising, shocking to see the glow of Ravana. Hanuma, looking at Ravanasura and getting surprised to see Ravana's glow and Ravana's comforts. And also Hanuma thinking like this: Aho Rupam, Aho Dhairyam, Aho Sattvam, Aho Dyutihi, Aho Rakshasa Rajasya Sarva Lakshana Yuktata. What amount of glow this Ravana has! What a great form this Ravana has! What amount of courage this Ravana has! What amount of strength this Ravana has! This Ravana is filled up with all great qualities and high amount of glow. But if this Ravana did not do the bad thing of abducting Sitamma, he would definitely be qualified for being the master of this entire Devalokam. This Ravana is doing so many bad things. Because of that, all 3 worlds are getting scared of him. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, हे हे राजा रामा, हे हे सीता रामा, हे हे सीता रामा. Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimanarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.